Hello 8th class students. Today I am going to teach you how to find the square root by two methods. There are two methods of finding the square root. First is prime factorization method and second is division method. So by prime factorization method, by taking example of 7056, I am telling you how to find it. Simply we do the prime factor of it. First we divide by 2, so 3528 will come. Then again it is divisible by 2, so we will divide by 2, so 1764 will come. Again it is divisible by 2, so we will divide by 2, so 882 will come. Again we will divide it by 2, so by dividing 441 will come. Now 441 is not divisible by 2, so we will divide by 3. 3 by 3, by dividing by 3, 147 will come. Again it is divisible by 3, so by 3 we will divide, so 49 will come. Now it is not divisible by 3, so we will check by 5, it is not divisible by 5 also. Next prime number is 7, so by 7 we will divide, 7 7 is 41. So these are the factors of 756. These factors we will write there. And this is the sign of square root. Now finding the square root, we will make the pair of two numbers. For one pair we will take 1 2. One pair of 2, so 1 2 will take. Second pair of 2, so second 2 we will take. Then pair of 3, so 1 3 we will take. And pair of 7, so we will take pair of 7. By multiplying this we will get 84. So 84 is the square root of 7056. Now see one example by division method. By division method, we will make the pair from the right hand side. 49, 54, 55. This 5 is single now, so we will write 0 there to make the pair. So 0 5 is enter pair. Now we will read the square table for first pair. Square table is like that: 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 6 6 ja 36, 7 7 ja 49, 8 8 ja 64, 9 9 ja 81. Now 2 2 ja 4, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 we will write there and 2 we will write there, and their multiplication we will write there. Now remainder is 1. Now we will take next pair, that is 55. 55 we will take there, and double of this first number we will take there. So 2 2 ja 4. Now we will read simple table up to 50. So 4 3 ja 12. 3 times it will go. So 3 we will write there and 3 we will write there. Now 43 multiplied by this 3 number only. So this 129 will come. Now again we will subtract. 26 will come. Now next pair, that is 54 we will take, and double of 23, that is 46 we will write there. Now it is divisible by 4 6 or 24. By 6 we can divide, but by writing 6 there and multiplied by 6, number will come more than 2654. That's why we are doing by 5. So by 5 we will multiply 465, so 2325 will come. Now we will subtract, so 329 will come. Now next pair 49 we will take. Now double of 235, that is 470, that we will write there. And now it will go 4 7 ja 28. 7 times it will go. So 7 we will write there, 7 we will write there. Now 4707 multiplied by 7. So 3294 9 will come. Now we will subtract, so we will get 0. So that is our 2357 is our square root by division method. Now suppose we have to find the square root of fraction. For example, we have to find the square root of 5555449 upon 7056. So it is we will find the square root of numerator, that is this number which is in numerator, and the upon square root of 7056. We will calculate the square root of this one. So this is 2 3357 that we have seen just before, and square root of 7056 is 84. That we will write there. In this way we will find the square root of fraction. Now see one more example. How do we will find the square root of decimal number? For example, 40.0309. That is square root we have to find. So before decimal we will make pair from that side, right hand side. So one pair only. And after decimal part, we will make pair from, they are starting from 03. This one pair, and that is second pair. Now, simply same method we will apply. We will get the square table, so 6 6 are 36. 6 times it will go. 4 is remainder. Now decimal is there, so we will write decimal. Now double of 6 is 12, so 12 we will write there. Now next, here 03 we will take. Now it will go 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36, 3 times. So 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, 3 1 are 3. 9 and 4. Now we will subtract it. So 34 will come. Now again we will do double of 63. Decimal we will not write. 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12. And next pair is 09. Now 2 times it will go. 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36, which is more than 34. So 2 times it will go. 2 we will write there and there. Now multiply. 2 2 are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2, 1 carry. 2 2 are 4, 1, 5. 2 1 are 2. Now we will subtract. Now suppose we are doing 2 more. It is up to decimal 2 part. Suppose we are want to do more. So we will write that there is no number now. So we will write 2 0 there. And this pair we will do there. And same method we will proceed. So your square root will come.